In this video I show you how to make a round braid. Depending on the order of the threads at the beginning, this will result in a spiral pattern or a pattern with longitudinal stripes. For this you'll need threads in two different colors that are about 60 centimeters or 24 inches long. I use 4 threads per color. First, I tie a knot about 10 centimeters from the end of the thread. Then I tape the threads on the table. When I put the colors alternately, I braid a spiral pattern. Now I start braiding. I take the outer right thread, go under the 2 threads next to it and go back over 1 thread at the top. Now I take the outer left thread, go under the 2 threads next to it and go back over 1 thread at the top. Now I take the outer right thread again and repeat the same sequence. This is quite unusual at first, but with time it should work better and better. When the bracelet is long enough, I knot all the threads together. Now I'll briefly show the bracelet with the longitudinal stripes. The braiding works exactly the same, only the order of the colors is different at the beginning. One color is on the right and the other on the left. Again, I take an outer thread, go under the 2 threads next to it at the bottom and go back over 1 thread at the top. Again, I knot all the threads together when the bracelet is long enough.